How to check flight status on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can check your flight status on Rex Airlines. So how do you do that? Open a new tab and then in the search box, type out Rex Airlines flight status. This is because you have to visit the flight status page in order for you to check your flight status. So when you type that, you can see a page where you see a number of blog posts. So select flight status and disruptions and you'll be taken to this page automatically. So on this stage, you can see flight status and disruption, flight disruption and cancellation forecaster for your today and tomorrow, the likes. And then the next step will be for you to scroll down, select your departure date, okay, of your flight, then enter in your flight number in here, or you can decide to enter in your origin and your destination. You can make use of any of this option in order to check out your flight status. So if you selected flight number, after entering your flight number, click on search and then your flight status will be found. Or if you selected the origin and destination, you would also be taken to a page where you see a number of flights. Okay, select the one that you want, click on the track button, and then you will be able to see the current status of your flight, including the arrival and the departure time. Okay, you can also try to download the Rex Airline apps to receive real-time updates and alerts about your flight, whichever one is fine. So this is basically how to check your flight status on Rex Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.